far? Having a good time? Yeah? Hey, all right, awesome. All right, guys, check it out. By the way, I love everybody new hairstyles. Very nice. I'm just playing. All right, guys, check it out. Over here on your right-hand side, this island over here is called Hibiscus Island. The first mansion we'll talk about, guys, is this 3-story white mansion with the globe on top. It belongs to a Puerto Rican pop star that likes to live la vida loca, and his name is Ricky Martin. That's right, guys, and check it out, that globe up top, it's actually a jacuzzi. It fits 20 people, and it lights up at night. Pretty cool, right? Alright, guys, check it out. Right next door to Ricky, this 2-story white mansion right here belongs to a beautiful 5'4" Baywatch beauty. And her name is David Hasselhoff. No, I'm just playing, guys. Actually belongs to Carmen Electra from Baywatch. She lives in that 2-story white mansion right there, guys. And again, this is Hibiscus Island. Alright, guys, check it out. If you guys look over here to your right-hand side once again, that island over there in the distance is called Palm Island. And that first mansion over there used to belong to a notorious gangster who lived in the late 1920s. His name was Al Capone. Guys, Al Capone was very safe on the island back in those times because there was no road access to the island, and he would have his guards patrol it. As of today, guys, the mansion is now owned by super rock star Lenny Kravitz. Alright, guys, check it out. This next island I'm coming across right here is called Star Island. And that mansion right there, the first one, is the biggest and most expensive mansion on the island. Guys, that mansion is worth $152 million. It's a lot of money, right, guys? And guys, it's owned by a doctor. His name is Dr. Philip Frost, and he's responsible for creating that little blue pill that sends smiles to couples all around the world. Now I'm playing, guys. I know who used to live here. The beautiful actress Elizabeth Taylor. She's very well known for being the first woman ever to make $1 million in acting for her movie role as Cleopatra. And as of today, guys, the mansion is also owned by Stuart Miller. Guys, get this. Stuart Miller purchased that entire mansion and gave the whole house to his mom as a gift. Right behind this yacht, that mansion, used to belong to Shaquille O'Neal, Shaq Attack. He played for our home team, the Miami Heat, for 3 years. He got traded to another team. Well, a year later, guys, he ended up selling the mansion to a Russian billionaire. His name is Vladislav Toronin. This mansion under construction right here is being built by Floyd Mayweather, championship boxer, 50-0. Alright, guys, check it out. Right next door, right behind this cream-colored gazebo, we got Rocky, Rambo, Sylvester Stallone. Hey guys, he really likes his privacy. You can tell by all the palm trees and the drapes covering his home there. Alright guys, next up, right next door to Stallone, this 2-story white mansion with all the windows belongs to Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo. She spends a lot of money on Windex. Like ridiculous amounts. It's a lot. Alright guys, right next door to J-Lo, this 2-story mustard-colored mansion used to belong to Dave Thomas, the owner and founder of Wendy's fast food restaurant. But guys, get this. Dave Thomas gave that mansion to his daughter upon graduating high school. That's right, guys. Wendy got a whole mansion after graduating. It's not fair, right? Next up, guys, right behind this bush, we got the Fresh Prince himself, Will Smith. And next door, Will Smith's neighbor. I don't know who lives there, guys, but I know who lives right next door. This 2-story white mansion with the 2 yachts right in front of it both belong to super soccer player David Beckham. And he's a brand new resident to Star Island. He's bringing down a soccer team for the MLS here in Miami. Alright guys, check it out. This next mansion I'm going to talk about is this 2-story cream-colored mansion. And it used to belong to the Material Girl, Madonna. But guys, Madonna got kicked off the island for throwing crazy parties that her neighbors would complain. But I'm not talking about these neighbors, guys. I'm talking about those neighbors across the bay. Her parties were so loud and so crazy, they had to kick her off, guys. Next up, guys, these 2 houses right here belong to the king and the queen of Miami, Emilio and Gloria Estefan. They both live in the left mansion. The right mansion is a Sony recording studio and a guest home. Alright guys, check it out. Have any of you ever seen the movie Bad Boys 2 with Will Smith and Martin Lawrence? Alright, there's a scene in the movie where a little dog runs up to the above ground pool and the pool pops and Will Smith and Martin Lawrence fall in the water. They filmed that scene right back here in this backyard, guys. And guys, this mansion is super famous for a bunch of movies like Too Fast, Too Furious, Transporter 2, and TV shows like Dexter and Miami Vice. This two-story white mansion right here, guys, was the original location for the Scarface mansion. That's right, guys. Say hello to my little friend. But unfortunately, though, Lisa Hodgson, Real Housewife of Miami, she purchased the original mansion and tore the house down, which was very controversial, guys. All right. Next stop, we're gonna check out South Beach. So hang on tight, okay? Your right hand side, that right there is the world famous South Beach. Downtown Miami skyline. If you get your cameras out, take advantage. Alright guys, we made it. Nobody fell out. Well, I'm proud of you guys. Give your hands a round of applause. Yeah, you made it. Awesome guys, awesome. Alright guys, check it out. If you guys want to see something really amazing, over here on your left hand side, see that big white yacht over there with no windows in the middle? That yacht is called the Seafair. And believe it or not, it used to be a floating art gallery that had original Picasso paintings on board the vessel. That's the reason why there's no windows in the middle portion. They didn't want any UV rays from the sun to get in and mess up the paintings. As of today though, the rental, that boat is actually a rental boat as of today. You can rent it out, have your own parties on it, charter it out for the day. It's absolutely amazing, guys. The boat itself is worth $40 million. So you can only imagine how beautiful it looks on the inside, guys. The Miami Sea Fair. Let's give it up for Johnny, you guys. It's his birthday today. Woo! Happy birthday, Johnny. 23 on the number, the day 23. So 23. I have a really crazy story about this building right here. See the Hard Rock Cafe? Back about 10 years ago, there used to be a giant guitar on the top of the building. Guys, it was the second largest guitar in the world. Stood up over 150 feet tall and spun around with neon lights. But we live in Miami, guys, and unfortunately we get hurricanes. Hurricane Wilma came by about 10 years ago, ripped the guitar right off the roof, and guess what? It landed on top of someone else's yacht. Guys, it split the yacht in half, and that was the last of the guitar. But there's still a way for you guys to check out the guitar as of today. There's a movie called Transporter 2, and in that movie there's a scene where Jason Statham, the main actor, jumps off of one of our docks onto a jet ski, then rides off into the action. In the background of that scene, you'll still see the giant guitar still standing on top of the Hard Rock Cafe, which is pretty awesome. So if you ever want to check out the guitar, guys, check out the movie. It's pretty great.